I'm Justin Francis, the Product Development Manager here at MagnaFlow. We're really excited to release the 2021 C8 Corvette xMOD system. Corvette has always had a distinct sound. Customers care about it. Beyond looks, performance, sound is key. New C8 and being a mid-engine car, totally 360 degrees difference, but it was a really exciting challenge that we were able to take on. The classic C8 sound on the Corvette, it's aggressive. Everything about the car is aggressive. The biggest challenge with the xMOD system is the new C8 being a mid-engine car. It changes the complete dynamics from the length of the exhaust system, the sound, the motor itself. It was a total different obstacle than we're used to, but it was a challenge that we were super excited for. Multiple muffler designs, material design, different X-pipe, different pipe routings, getting through the obstacles of having anywhere from 2 to 4 valves and utilizing those in our systems. One of the biggest obstacles was keeping the function of these valves on the MagnaFlow system. Since we manufacture our own valve bodies, we can actually utilize the OE valve motors in the exact stock spot. No modifications, no changes, functionality stays exactly the same. We don't want any check engine lights, we want performance to be the same. We're looking for no issues. Our xMOD system actually fits cars with NPP valve options and without NPP valve options. We have valve deletes for the rear if the customer did not get the NPP from factory. So the benefit with our xMOD system is it is a modular option. So you actually have a muffler option and a straight pipe option. The nice thing with the muffler option is you eliminate any drone when cruising on the freeway or at low RPM. When you're on the throttle, you have that nice aggressive racy sound, but it's not overpowering to the ears. The beautiful thing about the straight pipe option with our modular system is it does not kill your ears with drone, but it gives you a really aggressive, racy tone. The 304 stainless material that we're using on this C8 system gives you a great polished finish, but also holds up great under heat. The importance of that is this is a mid-engine car. The exhaust system gets an extensive amount of heat. It approaches temperatures that we really haven't seen with most of our CapEx systems, so that goes into the decision of going with the 304 stainless. We are providing heat shields for the front valve motors and the X-pipe. We did extensive dyno and road testing to make sure we had no valve problems, to make sure we have no check engine light problems, and obviously for performance numbers. The nice thing about our system is you get something that doesn't just completely change the sound of the car. It matches the car perfectly. It really promotes the sound of it. And you also have 2 options. You get a total aggressive racy option, and you get something that's a little more roadworthy. You got a brand new Corvette with a brand new look. Why not get a brand new sound with our xMOD C8 Corvette?